Welcome guys, this is MrShaa-TheeCryptoGuy. As we continue guys with the tokens that you can buy in 2023. Now we're going to be looking at the second tokens that I think has a very huge potential, and I'll tell you the reasons why I think you should buy this project or why you should look into buying this project. But remember, not a financial advice guys. I'll continue to emphasize on this, so then at least you can understand that this is not a financial advice. This is just my personal opinion on this particular project. Make sure that you do your due diligence and your own research before you invest into these crypto tokens. Now, the second token that I want to look at is a token called DODO. DODO is a very wonderful token. I've known this token for some time now. It's a decentralized exchange. Now, before I get into more information about this token, I want you to look at this, guys. You look at the current price of this project, as you can see there. Now you're looking at 0.11 around about 11 cents, and the good thing about it is also on Ethereum network, right? And then also if you go down, also if you look at how the rank on CoinW, you can see it's about 399 in terms of positions or rank on this platform. Now also if you go down here, you can see the all-time high of this project, guys, is $8.39, right? And then it is down by 98.6%. Amazing opportunity. It's more like it's down to nothing. It's down to nothing, right? You can see the all-time low of this project was 0.09, right? And the current price now is 0.11. So you can see that it's almost back to nothing, right? Now, what am I saying about this project? Now, if you look at DODO, what is DODO? DODO is a decentralized exchange running on Ethereum and Binance smart chain network. So you can find this exchange on both Ethereum blockchain and also Binance smart blockchain, or BSC smart chain, or BSC blockchain. Now, DODO has also a governance token. To participate in governance, users will have to convert DODO into VDODO at the fixed rates of 100 DODO equals to 1 VDODO. Yeah, so if you want that, you can actually go about and do all that. Now, what you can simply do, guys, what you need to understand about what I want you to understand, guys, is the most important thing that I want you guys to understand, the fact that this is a decentralized exchange. And the reason why I think it is important to buy this project is because personally myself, really, when it comes to centralized, I'm not really a fan of centralized exchanges. Just like, you know, any exchange, you saw what happened with FTX, you saw what happened with FTX and other platforms that were actually centralized, like platforms that were actually owned by someone. That is a platform that I can't really say I trust 100%, because anything can happen. Because if you are using a centralized exchange, you need to understand that you are actually taking your money, giving to someone to hold that money on your behalf. So that is the same thing that we do with the banks. We take our money to the bank for the bank to hold money for us. And that is just something that I don't really agree with. Something that made me to actually be a fan of cryptocurrency was because I wanted to be in charge of my own funds. So I think decentralized exchanges, they bring the reality of cryptocurrency back to us. That's what I believe in. Even if I'm buying cryptocurrency using a centralized exchange, I will actually maybe after buying, I can always move them to decentralized exchanges. I always do that just to keep them there, so that if something is to happen, then my funds somehow they don't really get to be actually affected. Affected in which way? If maybe that particular exchange is to file for bankruptcy, so it means that I can't be able to get my funds back. But if I have them on decentralized platform, maybe there's something that I can be able to do, maybe to move them around to certain platforms that maybe that particular project is still listed on, then I can be able to do the transactions, though I might be transacting in a loss, but at least I'll get something instead of 0. So that's what I always prefer to say. It is always best to always look into decentralized platforms. So you can actually look out for this project. It's an amazing project. If you have to buy this project, guys, you will be looking at about 70x if it goes back to its all-time high. So don't miss out on this project. Just make sure that you check it out, and make sure that also if you're buying it, you do your due diligence. My name is MrShaa, guys, the crypto guy himself, all the way from Africa. Guys, I will actually see you on the next one. I'm out for now.